Hey guys, welcome back to Imperial. Today we're introducing our brand new, exciting Shatterproof sight glass. And I wanted to introduce you guys to Troy Hansen. Troy is our engineering manager here at Imperial. And Troy, tell us a little bit why we took these steps to create this new sight glass.
Well, the glass sight glasses that we had used in the past, and that everybody across the industry kind of uses, just really aren't rated for anything. We had problems, you know, with those things breaking, and then being tempered glass, they shatter into a million pieces if anything hits them.
Right. People make a mess.
Yep. People break them putting them in, you know, by tightening them too much.
Too tight.
And then we go back to the manufacturer, we get those things, and none of them are really rated for a specific pressure or any kind of impact resistance or anything like that. So we were just trying to come up with something better.
Excellent. Always at Imperial, guys, we're looking for bigger and better, new things, and so forth. And Troy, these are interchangeable with existing sight glasses if our customers are out in the field asking this question.
They are. They should be interchangeable with pretty much anything that's out on the market right now.
Are these available also for portable and septic trucks?
Yep, we use the same 5-inch frame for both of them. So if you want it on your portable service truck, or if you're on your septic truck, they're good for both. You know, they're based after the shape of them is basically based on one of the other glass ones that we had used in the past. So yeah, they should be interchangeable with the frames that are out there for the glass domes on pretty much anything.
Perfect, that's amazing. And Troy, are these things in stock?
We do. We got them in stock right now, so we're ready to fill any kind of orders that people want.
Awesome, guys. And Josh is on the phone right now, probably taking some orders. You guys, I'm sure this is going to be really popular. So seeing is believing, Troy, right? So we're going to show you guys some demos of how we tested these sight eyes, and Troy's going to be our demo guy here. So take it away, Troy. Let's take a look.
Okay, guys, so this is old glass, tempered glass, sight glass, and this is the new one. We're going to drop them off here and see what happens.
And guys, thanks for joining us. Always, we want to grow our channel, so please hit that subscribe button and like our video, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.